This has got to be the coolest speaker I've seen in my life. This is the JBL Partybox On-The-Go, and we're here to unbox this for you today.
Well, hello there.
Alrighty, so here's the retail box of the JBL Partybox, and for those of you who are asking, this is indeed made for people who want to have their own private parties at home. Due to the situation we're all in, yeah, COVID, I'm looking at you right now, big parties are definitely discouraged. People have been resorting to having their own quarantine parties to celebrate special occasions. If you miss partying and you want to feel like you're actually celebrating despite being stuck at home, then you better need something like this. Let's go ahead and unbox the JBL Party Box. Alright, so this is the retail box of the Party Box, and we're gonna open it right from this side right here. Right. You know, right now, maybe some of you guys are really wishing that they're partying right now, or maybe, you know, having some really good time with your friends and family. But because of the COVID situation that started last year, I mean, we're all having this kind of feeling of missing things out. But you know, since halos lahat naman tayo, we're stuck at home, we're trying to improvise and trying to enjoy in various ways and means. So this was actually sent to us a few days ago by JBL, and when they actually asked me if they could, we could review this product or feature this for all of you, I was kind of thinking, wala namang party, but okay. Then I got it. The reason why they actually are promoting this is because while big parties are discouraged, it is always still best to, in a way, try to have fun even at home. And this definitely can bring a lot of fun to the table. And so we have here a strap. This strap is actually, if you want to carry it with you everywhere you go, then that is one thing that you don't want to miss. We have here some documentations, like what the party box is all about, quick start guide, and then we also have here a few more warranty and documents. We have styro. Okay, and we have the party box right here. There you go. It's not too big. We have additional accessories because this one also comes with 2 wireless microphones, which I will get into later on. There you go. I would think that everything in this box contain the cables and the microphone that is actually included in the package. Let's put this right over here. And alright, we have the microphone here on both sides. Microphone 1, and we have microphone 2 on the right side. Apart from that, we can lift this up. We get here, these are probably pouch for the microphones. We'll get onto that later on. We have here the cable, power cable, another power cable. Why are there so many power cables? Oh, okay. So if you live in the US or EU, these are probably some options. And they also included some batteries. It's very nice of you, JBL. Cool. 2 batteries. We have 2 AA's and another AA battery for the microphones. Alright, that's pretty much everything inside the box. So just to give you guys a quick rundown of everything, we got here the JBL Partybox On-The-Go. You know, don't forget that On-The-Go in the name because it's meant to be carried anywhere you want to go, no? And then we have here some power cables, JBL microphones, wireless microphones, We have here the pouch for the microphone so that if you're going to bring this to anywhere you want, if you want to do glamping or everything, or anything rather, you can just simply put the microphones in here. Really cool. And after that, we have some batteries, we have the sling, and some documentations. All right, so let's go and set this up. Doing things carefully here. There you go. Woo! Really nice. Okay, so we have it has a light sink. There. Hello. Hello there. All right. I like it. Cool. All right, so the JBL Partybox costs 20,990 pesos. And before you say, ang mahal naman, there are a couple of things that you need to know more about this product. First, this is JBL we're talking about. It's a company that's technically a part of Harman International, which is a subsidiary of Samsung. Harman, just in case you guys are not aware, markets several products like AKG, Bang & Olufsen, Revel, and Studer. I mean, if you're part of this huge brand that was recently acquired by one of the biggest South Korean companies, it must be really good. We actually covered JBL products in the past, and the products we reviewed proved that the sound quality you get is indeed top-notch. And judging from the specs of the JBL Partybox On-The-Go, which you can check and see right here, it goes without saying that you're not being shortchanged. The speaker features 100 watts of JBL Pro sound, which is perfect for small gatherings indoors or outdoors. And as you can see, it even features this synced light show, which gives a good sense of fun and party. Hello, test mic 1, 2. This is really cool. Now, if you've got karaoke apps on your iPad, computer, or your smartphone, you can connect it to this speaker via Bluetooth with its included wireless microphones, just like this one and the one that we have right there. Now, if you don't have available songs on your mobile devices, you can just simply connect your USB thumb drives with available music so you can play them via the speaker. So we have here, there you go, Partybox On-The-Go. So this is where you're going to connect the USB. There's one right here for additional output, and of course, if you wish to charge or connect this via AC. You can even tune your vocals with its readily available knobs for bass, for treble, and also for hello, echo. Alright. Now, if you want to upgrade your private party experience, you can even connect instruments and additional mic right into the speaker. Just like I told you earlier, you can connect your guitar, you can connect your keyboard, you can even connect additional microphones if you want to. So the possibilities of fun and enjoyment are endless with the Partybox On-The-Go by JBL. And as you can see, you can take it anywhere with you because of the portable design that it has. It even has a built-in battery inside, which according to JBL can last for 6 hours. Right, so, well, that's it for now, guys. This has been our quick unboxing and overview of the JBL Partybox On-The-Go. We'll post a review of this device on our website in the next few weeks. If you like this video, I would love it if you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.